best location to set up an automatic wash system? Let me paint you a picture. Two entrepreneurs invest the same money, buy the same machine, and open their car and motorbike wash in the same city. One is packed with customers, cars lining up outside every weekend. The other, empty bay, wastewater, and bill piling up. Same machine, same city, but one secret makes all the different location. So here is the real question. Do you know where to place your wash system so it actually makes money? If not, keep watching because the wrong spot can destroy your business before it even begins. Here is the harsh truth. Too many new investors believe that if I build this, customer will come. But that's not how this industry works. Choose the wrong location and you will fight for survival every single day. Maybe you rent a place hidden in small alley where no one notices you. Maybe you are too close to a competitor offering cheap hand washes. Or maybe your space is too small, forcing cars to queue on the road and frustrating drivers. The result, customers don't stop, income dried up, and before you know it, the dream of owning an automatic wash turned into a financial nightmare. That's the pain point. And it is why location is not just important, it's everything. So where exactly should you set up your automatic wash system? After years of research and have been partnered worldwide, Go&Go has identified the sweet spot that's almost guaranteed success. High traffic road, near main street, gas station, or highway where car and bike pass by daily. Visibility means choice. If they see you, they stop. Near mall, market, and supermarket. People shop, they park, and they wash. It's convenient to need stop at once. Close to residential area. Family who own multiple bike and car want quick and reliable washings. Put your wash needs where they live. Compulsory home. Pair your wash with coffee shop, minimal, or waiting lounge. Customers don't just wash, they relax, spend, and return. Large front bay. Not just the machine, but for car to move in and out smoothly, no traffic jam, no stress. Remember, people don't choose a wash because it's the cheapest. They choose the one that's visible, easy, and convenient. This is the secret behind the busiest wash in the world. So let me ask you, are you ready to find your perfect location? Are you willing to risk thousands of dollars on the wrong spot? Because here is the truth. Machine make washing faster, but location makes business last. And with Go&Go, you don't have to guess. We analyze your market, guide you to the best area, and even help design your space for maximum efficiency and customer flow. Don't gamble with your investment. Let's Go&Go help you choose smarter, safer, and more profitable consultation. Click the link below, connect with us, and let's plan the spot where your wash business does not just open, it thrives. Because in the wash industry, location is not just important, it's a life or death.